Y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra, and today I'm back with a updated wash day routine for my beautiful thick locks. I'm just going to show you guys what we're going to be using real quick. This is going to be my first time using these products, so I am excited. This is definitely not sponsored, but even if it was, you can always trust your girl, okay? We're going to be using the Free the Roots brand today. So this is their clarifying and conditioning apple cider vinegar rinse. And y'all, I'm excited for this because y'all know I love my apple cider vinegar. You may not, but I always try to spray beforehand because it gives you a really good, like a pre-poo, a really good cleaning. It makes your wash so much easier. So love me some apple cider vinegar, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this first. Leave this on my locks for about 5 minutes, and my scalp of course. And then we're gonna go in with the shampoo bar. This is the Cool Lemon one. Smells really good, actually, really good. So I'm excited for that. And then to finish up, we're gonna be using the hydrating mist. This is the lemon and herb one, and the base for this is aloe juice. Smells really good. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this because I'm trying to hurry up, okay? I'm trying to hurry it up. I don't want to do this all day. I'm trying to hurry up, okay? And sorry if you see my phone and camera in the background, and then I also have this random box of eyelid wipes for a little extra leverage. Your girl gotta record for Instagram too. Y'all know how it go, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and spray, and we're just gonna turn it to spray first so we can get the ends of our locks. Let's shake it up. I'm liking this. I'm liking the way it smells. I'm liking the way it feels. I'm liking the way it sprays, okay? Because a spray bottle can make a big difference. Now that my locks are nice and coated, we're just gonna bust this thing over to stream, baby, okay? And we're just gonna make sure we really get these roots. Yeah, look at that stream. You know what I mean? So now we're just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna play me a hot jam. Get down real quick. By the time I'm done jamming, it should be time to go. Let's see what we're gonna pick. So it's been about 5-6 minutes. First we're gonna go in, we're gonna saturate. Wash days are so hard to film, I swear. Y'all better appreciate these things. These things is hard, y'all. I'm trying not to get water everywhere. I don't like using water that's real hot on my locks anymore. I do, but I just know that hot water will dry your hair out. It can dry your hair out, so I try not to make it real hot. So now that we're fully saturated and we've rinsed the apple cider vinegar rinse out, we're gonna go ahead in with our shampoo bar. I think I saw something that says that you should not rub the bar, but I'm gonna rub the bar. My hair too thick, y'all. I'll be here all day trying to lather it up like that in my hands and doing it. And now what we're gonna do is just add a little dipping of water. Okay. Now the floor is getting so wet. What I recommend is focusing the first time around on your actual locks, and then you're gonna rinse, and then I recommend going in and really focusing on your roots the second wash. They need individual attention. I'll say that much, okay? Oh, okay. Now I'm just going in with my fingertips. This is still the first wash, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my roots. Now let's rinse. So your foggy again. It's hot and so hot and hot and yeah. That's how you know the water's too hot. I don't need to be wise doing all this. Alright, so now that that's rinsed out, we're just going to go back in with our shampoo bar. Get it. So we're just gonna spend some time here for a minute, and then we're going to do a little bit more on the ends. There we go. That's what we wanted the first time, baby. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's what I needed. Let's get on down to these Locs now, because you don't want all the dirt or whatever that came from your roots to just be sitting on your Locs. So make sure you do it all. So now it's time for the final rinse. So I cannot stress you guys how important it is to actually make sure that you are fully rinsing your Locs out, you guys. I'm so serious. So your best bet is to stay in the shower, turn off the water, wait for these little dribblings to stop so you can really hear, and you need to take your hands and just touch, gently touch, and you can hear when it's still soap in there. So I said I'm gonna stop. I'm no longer gonna keep getting out the shower without doing this, because I'll be out the shower, I'll be sitting down about to start my hair, and it's soap in my hair, and then you gotta get back in the shower after you already got dressed. So save yourself the drama, okay? And just do a little gentle. All you gotta do is listen. You know what it sounds like when it's still soap stuck in your hair, y'all. Sounds nice and gentle. Yeah, I think we are straight, you guys. Let me go grab a t-shirt, because I forgot to get something to dry my hair with. I do not use towels on my Locs. I grab t-shirts, and I also do not like squeeze and twist my Locs. I just squeeze, but I don't twist them. I feel like the twisting is not very Loc friendly. It's not gentle. I feel like you could easily pop some hairs or, you know, break some hairs. So I just squeeze. All right. So let me go do that real quick, and then we'll come right back and moisturize really fast, you guys. So now I'm just going to let my hair sit like this for a few minutes, and I'm going to wash my body, because I do not like washing my hair and then just getting out. I feel like my body feels icky from all the shampoo and stuff that, you know, so no thank you on that one. Oh, I should have conditioned my hair this time. It's too late. It's too late. I have started using conditioner sometimes, but it's too late. Your girl's over it. So let me go ahead and wash my body, and then come back and moisturize. Oh, my hair smells so good. It really does, y'all. It smells so good. Now, last step, we're just gonna go with our hydrating mist. Oh, nice. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. Alright you guys, so that is it for this wash day video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you stay tuned, because I will be retwisting for the first time since April actually, so it should be a fun one. So yeah, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.